Hi guys, I'm going to do a video. I don't think anyone's done this with my friends on here. Um, I'm going to do a what's in my fridge. Yes, I do sound really bad still. I don't know what's going on with my I don't I don't know what's going on with my body. I really don't. I ate my first meal last night and they puked it up and I've been. So I'm going to do what I've been living on since I've been so ill. I don't know what it is, guys. I don't think it could be outdoor. But yes, I'm going to do a... I've been living on them. One a day, I've been drinking water to flush it out. Nothing's flushing this out. Right, these are... I'm going to show everyone our fridge. Anyway, fat ass McGee. This is the fridge. I'm not so embarrassed anymore because I've got a new fucking cooker. Right, what I live on in my fridge. Here we go. We're drinking these. Those are gases. I've got meat. That's mine. Called meat. That's gases. We get like milky yogurts to help. I've got chicken to cook, which I probably won't end up eating. Eggs. These all. Drink a lot of these. As everyone knows again, I love water. It has to be sparkling water. I'm drinking 2 of these a day. So that works out as a litre of water a day. That's gases. I don't drink that sort of crap. Got iced coffee. I got that for myself. Tarangol. Oh, I need some more milk. I'm not going out. Jesus, cucumber. No, I haven't been using it either. More water. Monster. This is mine. The roast flavour. And that's gases. So, let me just step back. So that's my fridge. As you can see, there's hardly any food in there because both of us are still really ill. I really don't know what it is. Everyone said it's taking up to 6 weeks to get... Oh, this is our freezer. We've got food in there. We think these all should do you. So that's in my fridge. And I've got one of those. I've got these. I've got loads of fruit and veg. Bread. It's pointless, I don't eat it. Scottish porridge. Just getting the energy. Oh, if you see this Die Hard. Hey, I haven't choked yet. That's diesel stuff there. That's Gassie's Jaffa cake. My boy is... Sorry. It's killing me. And loads of tangerines. I love tangerines. I'll eat them. Vitamin C, which is just not doing nothing. You got... Oh, hang on. I thought there was a cat there. You can say hi, Dee. Hi, Dee. Poor hair. Look. I need to wash my hair. Just that. When you don't feel well, you just don't want to. Ugh. That's disgusting. Oh shit. Oh, I'm gonna go cook. Oh, well, do you know what? I'm literally leaning up against the door because I've got none energy at all. Got to try and get fat ass. Oh yeah, that's called What's in My Fridge. Let's see if you do What's in My Fridge.